What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Invest Finance, which has been pumping guys. The whole crypto market is down, but this crypto for some reason has decided to pump. As you can see, 33% up in the last 24 hours, making it $126 at the moment, and throughout the whole day it was trading around, let's say, just under $100, and out of nowhere earlier today, so around this afternoon, they decided to pump up to about $111, drop down, and right now pumping back up again. So where is this crypto heading to? A lot of people are saying to short it because it's going to drop down in value. So I'm going to be going through, is it a good time to buy right now? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? Should you sell it? Should you just hold on to it? So on and so on. And obviously giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks and months, looking at how high and how low can Invest Finance go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can take part in by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and according to Coinbase, Invest Finance is a top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 10% in value in a single hour. How crazy is that, guys? 10% itself is quite a lot, but when it's within an hour, it is absolutely insane. Over the day, last 24 hours, 35% up. Over the week, we got 30% up. We had a little peak here on the 8th of June, about 3 days ago, where it peaked all the way up to $152. And then about a couple of hours later, dropped straight back down. Over the month, it is 19% up. It's been quite volatile, but overall it has been gaining value, and over the year 46%. And we can see it going all the way to about 1.4k back in October last year. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 300% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.8 billion. Not 1.8 billion, what we're talking about, $1.8 million, which is a huge amount of money that is being traded on Invest Finance at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. 59% buy against 41% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Invest Finance at $100, $101, but it is trading at a much higher value at $128, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and looking quite steep as well, as you can clearly see. But the only reason I would say for that is because of the major increase that's just taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's still going to go for the bull run, so on and so on. But that is not the case guys. If you've been watching my videos and have been following my channel for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like what's happened to Invest Finance, it has to drop back down in value, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here. I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours, potentially to about the $110 mark. As you can see, earlier it did peak up to $114, drop down to $100, and right now peaking back up, then is very likely to drop down in value. Even though we may see it peak up to about $130, $135, the overall outcome, I'm expecting it to drop down towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow to about $110 to $115, somewhere around here. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again the graph is looking very bullish and very steep as well, going in a positive direction. But this is not accurate, because as I keep mentioning, this is because of the major increase that's taken place. The graph is confused as to why it's pumped up so much, so he thinks it's going to keep going up, but no, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to drop down towards the end of next week. We should be back to about the $100 mark, fluctuating somewhere in between there. But again, that does not mean we're going to be seeing red days every single day for the next 7-8 days. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yeah, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side over the coming days. So moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here now that we can see the long-term run? So let's say around late July to early August. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, going in a positive direction. But I think in this graph is looking much more realistic. They're not looking as steep as the previous ones, meaning this is much more realistic. So an overall increase in value is expected over the coming weeks. But again, because they're not looking too steep, it is going to be minimal increases in value, potentially going to about $160 to $180 by the end of July, early August. But obviously it's a bit too early to judge on the exact amount that is going to hit, but somewhere around there is what I'm predicting. But again, any major changes or major updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Invest Finance, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So as you guys know, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. If it dumps, the whole crypto market is down. If it peaks, then most of the cryptos are also peaking as well. But obviously, Invest Finance has a little bit of a different way to go around it, because it's pumping when most of the cryptos are down today. But anyways, the point is, if you guys want to find out daily price updates, predictions on Bitcoin, and what my predictions are for that specific day or for that specific week, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. And again, in this group, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. And yes, I did buy crypto today as well because of the crash. So those of you who are part of my Telegram group chat would know what I've bought, how much I've bought, and when I bought it, and how much I bought it for as well. And the other group chat is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and also that is where I put daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect. These are going in a positive or negative direction, and obviously giving you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Invest Finance. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you can see, there is not much we can do. The only reason for that is not only are we in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit around $482, which is way too far away from where we are at the moment. We're going to have to go for a major price increase for us to hit around $400, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from this crypto. So more or less for the rest of the year, it's very likely we are going to be fluctuating in the red zone, because even hitting about $300-400 is a push for this crypto. Is going to have to go through over 100% increase, which I'm not expecting. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated if you guys want me to on this crypto. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it on today's video. Just a quick one on Invest Finance like you guys have requested. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also please guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So it'd mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, as well as like the video. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.